Hello, good morning. I am Dr. Anil Bhanudas Pawar, librarian, Arts, Commerce, Science College, Satra, presenting Central Library presentation in front of you. Introduction of our library. The Central Library was established in 1998. The library is the heart of institute providing adequate services to the users. It has developed in all the aspects, that is collection, readers, ebooks and e-journals. It supports students and staff to fulfill their goals. Presently, we have 21,595 books and 42 current periodicals. Objective of the library: to select, acquire, preserve and disseminate relevant and latest information to users, to supply the latest information to all the faculties in their respective fields, to provide right information, right time to right users, to help users to access information on internet. As given in the highlight, we have digital library in which we have 8 computers for student. Student can access various e-resources, e-books and e-journals from digital library. Also, our college library is automated with Koha software, Koha on cloud. Student can search books by title, by author, by series. We have taken membership of Enlist. In Enlist, 31 lakhs 35,000 ebooks and more than 6,000 e-journals. In our college, for student, book bank scheme provide in book bank scheme more than 300 students take book bank scheme per year. Library website, in library website student can search various e-resources. This is the specialty of our college library. Internet facilities, reference section and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam library. In this section, motivational books are kept for student. Student can read these books. As refer, I am Dr. A.B. Pawar, librarian, and my experience is 20 years in library, and my colleague's experience, SC Pawar's experience is 32 years. I have completed orientation and refresher programs and presented paper in seminar, conference and workshop. This is our college libraries advisory committee. Library advisory committee helps to grow, to develop library in various parts. This is the collection of our library. In this time, 21,595 books in our library. Books added during last 6 years. Expenditure. Savitribai Phule University, Pune University gives funds for 357 books, and Siddhivinayak Trust Mumbai gives 7,407 books funds. Users, our libraries, total users 906, students, staff, sister and other institute and villagers. Membership. Library has taken implement UGC Enlist subscription And for interlibrary loan, PDP College Pravaranagar, Arts Commerce Science College Rahata, and Arts Science and Commerce College Kolar. Library automation is done. Services and facilities from our library: circulation, web OPAC. In web OPAC, student can search by title, by series, by author, by call number. Reference service given to users. Internet facilities provided to students. Information display. Books exhibition arranged every 6 months. And reprography services provide to users. For newcomers, user orientation gives and all library information and rules information given to students. Library website is the specialty of our college library, because in library website we have created a e-resources portal. In this e-resources portal, student can search and list data, DOAJ, NPTEL videos, PDF drive for free ebooks, National Digital Library, and for users, library provides reading room facilities. In the reading room, 60 above student can sit anytime. This is our Dr. APJ Kalam library for motivational books, and interlibrary loan, newspaper clipping services, current awareness services given to student. Future plan of our library to strengthen the library with more resources, to conduct workshop and training program, to prepare union catalog among Pravara group of institute, to develop separate competitive exam section center. Thank you.